Coming up, we're going to look at Mount Stirling and the nature reserve there. Welcome back to Finding G-Spots, and yeah, if you're in the Kellerberrin area, on the Kellerberrin Yachting Road, that's in the Wheatbelt, about 45 minutes south of Kellerberrin is the Mount Stirling Nature Reserve, and you can climb the mountain there, or it's really just a hill. It's a few hundred meters high, and when I went a couple of months ago, there was loads and loads of wildflowers. Quite a beautiful little spot, and I highly recommend going there. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the hike I had up there.